I'm kinda hyped because today it's time for the first Maiden of the 2022. The do-it-yourself Lidl Glider Advanced. Why Advanced? Because it's a twin motor, A-tail type of the conversion of the Lidl Glider. iNav and FPV equipped. Okay, let's go. Let's see if this thing really works or not, because I have a bad feeling. We are into the wind, so let's arm... No, this side. Let's arm, throttle up, and let's go! Ah, this is awesome! Hey! I love it! This is the best airplane I flew in a very long time. It will be so fun to fly this thing. And it even glides! Fucking awesome! The best airplane I've been flying for a very long time. Awesome! Awesome! That was pretty awesome. The weather looks pretty calm, but it's not really that calm. We have a gusts of winds and they are changing quite rapidly from time to time. It's blowing from that direction, from time to time from that direction. Still, the airplane is much faster than I originally expected. The cruise throttle seems to be like 30% of the throttle, not 50. So I might consider lowering slightly the authority of the throttle. Looks very stable. I saw that there are some problems with the yaw authority because it was like bobbing to the sides. Probably it's due to stabilization on the yaw, which is enabled. I will probably just have to turn it off. But the Maiden was amazing. Even, I'm not sure if this was visible, but during the landing I just cut the throttle and it just perfectly went down without me absolutely having to touch any of the controls. So like that, I really do have high hopes and have something that is really nice to fly. I just did the servo auto tune. Now it's time for the FPV and the I did the servo trim. Now it's time for the FPV and the auto tune, because yeah, I like it. I do really very much like this airplane. I think so. Yeah, definitely, I do. flies, and it flies really pretty well. If you would like to know more about different Lidl gliders that I did before, here's the video for you. I'm Paweł Spychalski, thank you very much for watching, and happy flying! Like always, happy flying!